everybody, welcome to the Bedford Life and Company. My name is Alexis and it is April, which means it's grilled cheese sandwich month. So today I'm going to show you a really easy tomato soup recipe that pairs perfectly with a grilled cheese sandwich. So put your aprons on and let's get started. You ready, Dad?
Okay.
Here's what you'll need. 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. That's 4 cups of butter beans. They came in a can, so I rinsed them really well and drained them. 4 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of onions. This is an entire head of roasted garlic, a half a pound of bacon, and in here, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. This is a very easy recipe, so let's get started.
So after you've roasted the garlic, you just want to give it a good squeeze and all the cloves will come out. So you can just add that to the onions and saute them. Here's how this recipe came about. It was the middle of a snowstorm and I had not made it to the grocery store and it was slim pickings in the house and my husband and I needed lunch. So I started like rummaging through the cabinets and pulling things, like random things out, and I really had no idea how the soup was going to turn out, and I was pleasantly surprised because the soup came out amazing. My favorite thing about this soup is it is a great foundation that you can build off of, and I have made so many variations of this soup with just a few substitutions. So if you wanted to make a vegetable soup or a vegetarian soup, you could substitute vegetable stock or vegetable broth instead of the beef broth, and then add, zucchini or corn or broccoli or whatever veggies you had, and that would be a great soup. I have also substituted the butter beans with navy beans and canellinni beans. I've substituted the bacon and added pancetta or pork belly a few times. And if you wanted to leave any of the pork out and use the tomato base itself with vegetable stock, you could always add clams and make a variation of Manhattan Clam CHowder. And there you guys have it, a beautiful tomato and bean soup paired with a delicious grilled cheese sandwich. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with new videos, product recommendations, and of course, sales at thebedfordlife.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you love this video, and make sure you check out the description box below for links to our Patreon page and PayPal. In addition, I will have direct links for all the merchandise and products featured in this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye.